Uh, in this video, I would like to share some quick tip about cloning VMs without using any vCenter or CLI. This is just using the web interface. For this particular video, I am using VMware ESXi 6.7. You can see the version here. So without the vCenter, the new VMware is not allowing you to clone the VM. You can see there is no cloning option available. So it's a safe side to shut down the video, shut down the VM and proceed further for the cloning process. So initiate a shutdown for this particular VM, and even if shut down, you cannot see the cloning process directly from the ESXi. So I'll create a new VM and you how to create exact same uh, OS while creating a new VM like Source. The configuration you can update in this section. Once the configuration is updated, you can remove that hard disk option. We don't need to use the say newly created hard disk or anything as we are cloning a new hard disk. So the VM is created without hard disk. The next process is going to the data store. I'm only having one data store and just copy the source vmdk file to the destination. Once that copying is completed, you just need to map that particular disk. The name it doesn't matter. You can edit the newly created VM. This is VLAN 50. I'm editing and you can add an existing hard disk and just browse or map the vmdk file that we have just copied from the source VM. Once that is done, the cloning is completed. Now you can turn on both machines. You have to just take care if this is statically configured IPs are there. You just need to disconnect the network and change the IP, then reconfigure, then attach the network. So I have just booted up both the VMs and let's bring up the interface. The advantages over here, you don't need any vCenter uh, hypervisor. Also, no need to go to the backend side to clone a VM. So you can see the first VM is came up with the interface, and I'm just turning on my network adapter. Here you can see that there is IPs are different. I hope this is informative for you. Thank you for watching.